Today's November 25th, 2024.
Before we get started, remember to like and subscribe to see more low-stress trades. Now, back to the video.
And the S&P has opened up almost 35 points above Friday's close. We're at 0.6%. Very strong green open. There's not a lot of news on the day. Tesla's up big, Bitcoin is up big. There's not a lot of economic news, so this just seems like a really good rally. I don't know how much steam though the S&P is going to have on the day. All-time highs on the S&P is 60.17, so we're 9 points away from that. Today looks like a good day for a butterfly because I think it's gonna fizzle out and then may have a slow downturn. The premiums indicate that there's not going to be too much movement today. Implied volatility is really low. So let's get into our iron butterfly. We're going to go to SPX, open up the options chain, go to November 25th expiration. I'm going to sell the bid on the puts and calls at the 60.05 strike. 6005 strike, and then I'm going to make the wings 30 points apart. So I'm going to, on the put side, buy the ask at the 59.75, and on the calls, I'm going to buy the ask at the 60.35. We're going to do one spread. We're risking 1200 to make 1700. Hit confirm and send. See how fast this fills, and we filled. We'll monitor this throughout the day. And let's see how we did. It is 4 hours and 20 minutes after the close. We did an iron butterfly today. The expectation that was that SPX, opened up pretty big here, and it was gonna go up and then run out of steam and come back down, and it did that exactly. Figured it was gonna do a gap fill, and we can see it did that gap fill right around here, and then was going to bounce, but we didn't have as big of a bounce as we expected. The wings on the butterfly went up to 60.27 and 59.86, and we can see that it closed at 59.87, so we would have been in the butterfly and made profit. However, I did close it in the last few minutes of the day. I didn't want to run the risk of it closing outside of the butterfly, so I took a $250 loss on the day. We can see here these top four lines. These are for that butterfly spread. And so it comes out to, I know it says $392.50, but it's actually $250 loss. I took another smaller loss on these three options on the bottom. So $250 loss on the day. Annoying because I had a really long win streak going, but that's okay. We'll make it up tomorrow.
To see these trades live, join the Discord. Use the link and get 1 week free.